Automate your home with Sense by MACO. Sense by MACO represents the next generation of smart window and door sensors that utilise the MATTR protocol. The MATTR protocol is a mutual language that all devices can understand. This means they can be connected directly with Apple Home, Samsung SmartThings, Google Home and Amazon Alexa. Sense by MACO window and door sensors are not only fitted to new windows and doors during the manufacturing process, they can also be retrofitted seamlessly to existing MACO window and door hardware, allowing you to automate your home and create an efficient, secure and integrated smart home with ease. Sense by MACO removes the barriers of complexity and enables the benefits of smart security systems that can automate family life, enhance standards of living, and offer additional safety measures to be adopted by everyone. To find out more about how to make your home efficient, safe and secure with Sense by MACO, ask your installer or visit macouk.net.